Deal is transforming how businesses handle payroll and compliance for global teams. As companies increasingly embrace remote work and hire international talent, the need for a platform that simplifies global payroll, manages compliance, and offers employee benefits has grown exponentially. Deal steps in to bridge the gap, ensuring businesses can scale internationally without being bogged down by the complexities of cross border regulations. Deal's intuitive interface and powerful tools make it accessible for companies of all sizes. Whether you're a startup hiring your first overseas contractor or an established company managing a global workforce, Deal provides a streamlined, user friendly solution. This tutorial highlights Deal's standout features and demonstrates how it can help businesses manage payroll and compliance effectively. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the global payroll management. Deal centralizes the payroll process, allowing businesses to pay employees and contractors in over 150 countries. The platform supports multiple currencies and ensures accurate, timely payments. This saves time and eliminates the need for country specific payroll systems, making global hiring seamless. Another key feature is its compliance assurance. Deal ensures compliance with local labor laws by automatically integrating country specific regulations into its contracts and payment processes. This includes taxes, social contributions, and labor law adherence. This reduces legal risks and gives businesses peace of mind when hiring across borders. Another key feature is its automated contracts and invoicing. Deal offers pre built, compliant contract templates for full time employees and freelancers. It also automates invoice generation based on approved timesheets or milestones. This speeds up administrative processes while maintaining accuracy, ensuring timely payouts. Another key feature is its employee benefits management. Deal provides access to localized employee benefits such as health insurance, retirement plans, and paid leave policies, customized by country. This helps businesses attract and retain top talent by offering competitive benefits packages. Another key feature is the real time currency conversion. Deal integrates live exchange rates, enabling businesses to make payments in local currencies without manual calculations. This minimizes transaction costs and ensures employees and contractors receive accurate payments. Another key feature is its multiple payment options. Deal supports a variety of payment methods, including bank transfers, PayPal, and cryptocurrency. This offers flexibility for contractors and employees to receive payments in their preferred manner. Another key feature is its intuitive dashboard. Deal's dashboard provides an overview of payroll, contracts, and compliance data, all in one centralized location. This enhances efficiency by giving businesses a single platform to manage their global workforce operations. And another key feature is the onboarding and offboarding tools. Deal simplifies onboarding with automated workflows, document collection, and compliance checks. Offboarding is equally efficient, ensuring all final payments and paperwork are completed accurately. This enhances the employee experience and reduces administrative workload for HR teams. So, why is Deal a great choice? Deal stands out as a top choice for businesses managing international teams due to its comprehensive, user friendly approach to payroll and compliance. Its ability to handle complex processes with simplicity is invaluable for companies looking to scale globally. Deals localized solutions, automated processes, and robust compliance tools make it more than just payroll software. It's a global workforce management platform. So for small businesses, Deal offers affordability and ease of use. For larger enterprises, its scalability and advanced features ensure seamless management of thousands of employees across multiple countries. The platform's flexibility allows businesses to focus on growth and innovation rather than being bogged down by administrative hurdles. So basically, Deal revolutionizes the way businesses approach payroll and compliance, especially in the context of global workforces. Its extensive features, from automated contracts to real time currency conversion, empower companies to hire and manage talent across borders with confidence. With Deal, businesses can simplify complex payroll processes, ensure legal compliance, and offer competitive employee benefits all within a single platform. So, as remote work becomes more commonplace, tools like Deal are essential for businesses striving to remain competitive in the global market. Whether you're a startup venturing into international hiring or an established organization scaling operations, Deal provides the tools and support needed to navigate the challenges of global workforce management. So, by adopting Deal, organizations can save time, reduce risk, and enhance their employee experience, making it an indispensable partner for modern businesses. So, that's basically it for this video. So, if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.